Hello and welcome to all students. In this lecture, we learn about elementary probability theory, and here we see some theorems in probability. So first theorem is addition theorem, and that theorem says that if A and B are two events of sample space S, then the probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So, okay. So now its corollary is if A and B are two mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events means they are a different event. There is no common element in between these two elements. Their intersection is empty. Then we can find then the probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. So this is the corollary of above addition theorem. Now let us go to the next multiplication theorem for two independent events. So statement is if A and B are two independent events, then the probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. So this is the multiplication theorem for the probability, and let us try to solve some problems on these theorems now. So first problem is based on addition theorem. So problem is a card is drawn at a random from a well shuffled pack of cards. Find the probability that it is a red card. Find the probability that it is a red card or a king card. Okay, so see here, as we have to draw either a red card or a king card, means we have to use addition theorem here. Okay, so first of all we write all the given things. So first thing is a pack of card contains 52 cards. Okay, 52 cards. If one card is drawn, if one card is drawn, then the probability of then the sample space is then all possible outcomes are 52. Okay, therefore sample space S, so n of S, so sample space S contains 52 outcomes, and therefore n of S is equal to 52. Okay, so now let us go to the case a red card or a king card. Draw a red card or draw a king card. Let A denote event of getting a red card, but in the pack there are 26 red cards. Therefore number of elements in set A are 26. Okay, and let B be the event of getting a king card. Event of getting king card. But in a pack of 52 cards, there are 4 kings. Therefore, N of B is 4. Okay. Now, there is one more event, and it is A intersection B. A intersection B, and it is the event of getting red king card. So in this event, so red kings are 2. Okay, we have this thing. Now let us find the probability of event A. Probability of event A is n of A divided by n of S, and n of A is 26 upon 52, and it is equal to 1/2. Okay, now find the probability of event B. Probability of event B is equal to n of B divided by n of S, and it is equal to n of B is 4 divided by 52, and it is equal to 1/13. Now we find the probability of event A intersection B, and it is equal to n of A intersection B divided by n of S. It is equal to intersection contains 2 cards only, and therefore n of S contains 52 cards. So n of S has value 52, so it is equal to 1/26. Okay, so now we use addition theorem to find the probability of getting either king card or a red card, and so it is given by probability of A union B, and it is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So this is the addition theorem to find the probability of union. So, and the probability of, now we put the values. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A we have calculated, and it is 1/2, plus probability of B is 1/13, and minus probability of intersection is 1/26. Okay, so equal to, now the value is, if we calculate this value, we get it is equal to 7/30. So probability of getting either a king card or a red card is 7/30. Okay, so this is the end of this question. Now let us go to the next. Now our next problem is, let us take a problem on multiplication theorem. Okay, now question number 2. So let us take example number 2. Example number 2 is, okay, it is on multiplication theorem. The probability that A can solve an example. Solve an example is 1 upon 5, and the probability that B can solve example is 1/2. Okay, what is the probability that both will solve an example? What is the probability that both will solve a given example trying independently? While trying independently, question mark. So this is problem on the multiplication theorem. So let us write the answer for this question. Let us write the answer. So answer is, okay, so so all probabilities are given. Let A denote event that student A solve problem. Event that A can solve problem, and B be the event that B can solve problem. So both solves problems independently, therefore both the events are mutually exclusive events, okay, or independent events. Therefore now we will write the probability of A intersection B. We have to find the what is the probability that both will solve the problem, means we have to find the probability of intersection. Okay, so and by multiplication theorem it is equal to probability of A into probability of B, but probability of A is given to you, it is 1 upon 5, and probability of B is 1/2, and the product of these two things is 1 upon 10. So this is the probability of both can solve problems, and that probability is 1/10. So this is the problem based on multiplication theorem. Now, so this is the end of our lecture, and thank you.